Good morning, I'm meteorologist Elizabeth Gardner. Some cold mornings for us. We do have a little bit of a wind chill out there this morning, so it's feeling like mid-20s to low 30s for most of us heading out. But this afternoon, temperatures will be near normal. That means low 50s, 51 in Durham and Raleigh, 53 in Fayetteville. It'll be fairly dry for the next several days, with the exception of Wednesday night. There could be a few isolated showers, especially south and east of the Triangle area. And then a big soaker coming on Saturday. We're going to talk more about that on TV this morning, so be sure to catch us then. Our wind speed forecast holds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour today. That is going to make it feel a little bit colder than it actually is, especially when the temperatures are down in the low 50s and it's a bit breezy. Feels like 40s. It's chilly. We take a look at our chilly week ahead. We're looking at the blue color contours sitting right over us, which means temperatures are going to be pretty close to normal, maybe just a few degrees below normal. We're not looking at the deep, dark blue, purple areas. So just holding a little below normal, and that's likely to be the case all through the week. Our normal low is 32, and we're going to see 29 for tomorrow morning. This morning we're looking at temperatures hovering right around freezing. 37 Thursday, so a little bit warmer. We're going to see that chance of a few isolated showers. Temperatures will be above freezing. But right after that little system slides off the coast, we're back into the 20s on Friday and Saturday morning. And Saturday morning is going to be the one that we're going to be watching very closely. If we do end up at 28, there may be some of our counties near the Virginia line that see a little bit of freezing rain before everything changes over to rain, because it's going to be much warmer during the day Saturday when that rain moves through. 52 is our normal high, 51 today, 55 Wednesday, 50 Thursday, 49 Friday, 50 Saturday. So we're just going to hold it right there near normal through Saturday and into Sunday. Again, we're mostly quiet until Saturday. It looks like we could see a pretty big soaker as we get closer. And on TV this morning, we'll be talking about how much rain we could get where you are.